One of the hardest things in a relationship is not realizing when someone's feelings are fading. Oftentimes, ladies usually overlook these signs, and to a large extent, ignoring those signs don't actually make them go away. Little wonders, why do ladies ignore these signs in a relationship? Is it for love? Perhaps. Or is it out of fear? Or probably is not wanting to let go. So as much as possible, ladies want to hold on to the belief that they still own this guy. But the truth is, not letting go or out of fear of love to a large extent in the future can lead to heartbreak. It can lead to a lot of emotional breakdown for not letting go on time. In this video, I'm going to be examining those signs that will show when a man is no longer into you. That is, how to know when a man is no longer interested in you. Join me on this journey. Let's examine it. If today is your first time seeing my face, my name is Michael. This is my channel. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, do so you'll be the first to get my video when I release them. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that as the videos drop, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you. So let's look at the reasons, or perhaps the signs, that ladies usually ignore, even when the man is making it obvious to them that I'm no longer into you. When we identify the signs, we'll be able to know and we're able to advise the ladies on what to do when you start seeing the signs from the man. Number one sign, when a man is no longer into you, number one sign is clear, his communication fades, or perhaps there will be communication breakdown. He no longer talks to you the way he used to. He no longer chats you up. He no longer calls you before going to bed. Those things that I used to do that shows love, communication. He no longer calls you on video calls, FaceTime calls. He no longer does that. In fact, you'll be the one to call him. It starts by him saying, "Oh, I was about to call you." It means those are signs, obvious signs, that this guy is no longer into me. And the earlier you recognize that something is cooking, the better you'll be equipped to take the right decision at the right time. So that's number one. Number two way, no longer makes plans to spend time with you. You're no longer a priority. He now sees you as an afterthought. He no longer makes plans for you. In the past, he used to make plans. He takes days off work. He takes annual leave just for you. He takes vacation just for you. In fact, he can even go as far as calling in sick and take some sick days off just to spend time with you. He does that. But when a man is no longer into you, excuses pile up. Excuses. He really makes plans to see you. That's when it's from one excuse to the other, to the other, to the other. Those are obvious signs. This guy is no longer into me. You have to be at alert, and you should be able to identify these signs. Number three, emotional distance builds up. Emotional distance. If you're here to see my video on emotional distance and what to do when you notice emotional distance in your relationship, check out my video up there. Watch that video to help you too. So there's now emotional distance in your relationship. Even when you are together, there's the chemistry that you used to feel when he's around you. It's no longer there, because now the conversations are no longer deep conversations. The conversations are as shallow as, it's become so shallow and casual. It's no more, those talks of togetherness, oneness, futuristic plans. He no longer sees you as part of his future. So the conversations he begins to have with you are very shallow-minded conversations compared to before. Before, you guys talked about everything and anything. You talked about work, talked about day-to-day activity, talked about the economy. You used to talk about happenings, daily happenings. But now it's so shallow. How are you? You're fine. He doesn't even know what to say to you. You realize it. You notice that distance. You notice that distance, that something is off. So spending time with him now is, he feels off. These are signs this guy is no longer into me. When a man is in love, you will know. A man that loves you will show. If you're here to watch my video on 7 signs to know a man truly loves you, check out that video up there. You will know when a man truly loves you. So there's emotional distance now. Okay, you guys are now like strangers. 2 strangers living in one home. Okay? So, know this point. So you equip yourself, okay? So the conversations are no longer broad. It's now shallow. No longer shares his dreams with you. He doesn't see you as part of his future. That's number 3. Number 4, there's lack of affection. All the kisses disappear. All the open display of affection. All the romance. All the love making fades. You'll be the one like, what happened? Even when you spend days with him, nights with him, that spontaneity in kissing you, hugging you, romancing you, fades. In fact, you're the one that want to like kiss him, hug him, or even make love to him. He's so distant. You will not feel a lot of, the silence in him will be so loud. That silence around you becomes so loud, feeling strange. It's like you're living with a stranger. There's lack of affection. It becomes distant to you. That's number 4. There's lack of affection. Then the man is no longer into you. You will know. One thing about men is, men we like to hold, we like to grab, we like to feel. We like to express when we love someone. We like to show off how women are lady. A man likes to brag, to show off his lady. But when he's no longer into you, he no longer sees you as his pride. He no longer wants to show you off. He doesn't want people to see you with him. At this point, he no longer wants you guys hanging out often. So that you will knock out that illusion from your head that this guy loves me. You start seeing the signs. He start keeping you. He start hiding you. He no longer wants to spend time with you in the city, in open places where people see you together. No, because you are no longer a priority. He's moved you backwards. That's number 4. Number 5. Oh my, I love this point because this point sums it all. Now, you now feel like an option to him. You are no longer his priority. You are now one of the options. They said variety is the spice of life, and men love variety. And even these days, a lot of men out there find it hard to deny that maybe they love variety. You will now notice that you are no longer the priority. You are now one of his options. You are now one of the spare tires. He no longer takes you as priority. He uses excuses to block all the means that you guys will see. He takes you as an afterthought. He'd rather spend the time with his friends, hanging out with his friends, hanging out with in the clubs, or even hanging out with his mom or with his family. So you're always the last option. Before, every other thing stays back. But now, you've gone to the back. You're now at the back of according to pecking order. doesn't see you as priority anymore. These are clear signs that a man is no longer into you. But remember the following. When a man is no longer into you, it shows you, okay? Because the consistent love that he had showed before, he lost interest. He no longer shows it. Now he's a stranger. Now he doesn't care. He even stops giving you money. When you ask him for money now, maybe in the past he used to give you loads of money. Now it's excuses to excuses. Tells you about the bad economy. It tells you about the recession in the town. Or it tells you about the fact that one thing leads to another. So let me tell you, when you notice this, so value yourself, okay? And love yourself deeply. Don't sell yourself short to a man. When you start seeing these signs, remember, take a step back. Be sure of the signs. Don't assume, okay? Never assume things about a man until you're sure. Okay? 7 things not to assume about men. I discussed that in my video. So when you are sure, beyond reasonable doubt, because he has made it abundantly clear that this guy is no longer into you, then you need to take steps. Don't chase after somebody that has not chosen you. As a woman, as a lady out there, you must be proud. Raise your head high. Don't chase after any man that no longer chooses you. Okay? There are so many good men out there. Don't do that. Don't do that. Love is supposed to be shown consistently. Remember, love grows. When a man is in love with a woman, he shows it. He doesn't hide it. But if he's no longer in love with you, it becomes abundantly clear to the blind, crystally clear to the blind, that this guy is no longer into me. So, instead of choosing somebody that doesn't want you, choose yourself. You should love yourself enough to be able to walk away from the relationship. In fact, you can be the one to break up the relationship instead of him wasting your time and making you lose opportunities from good men out there. Don't let him waste your time. A lot of men out there are time wasters. He wastes your time, keeps you. He knows he's not going to marry you, or he knows the relationship is not heading anywhere. Now he sees you as an afterthought, no longer gives you attention. Don't waste your time with it. You should even be the one to break up and move on. You break up and move on. Okay? So, if you're a lady out there, you've passed through this, you've seen these signs, you've gone through this before, can you share with us? When you start noticing these signs that this man is no longer into me, what did you do? How did you get out of it? How did you walk away from this relationship? Okay? So if you've ever experienced this, share with us. If today is your first time seeing my feed, my name is Michael. This is my channel. If you're here to subscribe, do so. Subscribe. Give a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to get these videos when I release them. I release my videos twice in a week, okay? I release my videos Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Thank you for watching this. I appreciate your time. See you on my next one. Cheers.